and welcome to my channel. So today, I'm back on Windows 11, right? I'm actually back on 11, Windows 11. Of course, I showed this is my mom's Galaxy, and it's literally with me. But how is my apps open thing? So let's just check out this phone. Of course, I can use my cursor or my hand. Now let's check out the software update. So guys, you've never seen this Android update, right? See? So this is an Android phone updating. So this is going to be the first Android video, or isn't it? It's processing the update package. Let's go! Please. I'm actually doing this on Windows, on Macs. You know, Windows supports Android and iPhones. Wait, do you see what I see? I have an iPad Air. So, iPads are legit good, legitimate good. But I have another phone up my sleeve. Oh, it's trying to reconnect. Ooh, oh my god. Guys, it's installing One UI. Hey guys, it's trying to install One UI. Okay? It's installing. Okay? We're gonna get to the phone link. Okay, let's get the phone link. Oh, no. Yeah, I got it plugged in if you didn't know. Even I have this double charger, which I can plug in with. Which I'm gonna do with. Okay, I'm gonna plug in the, the laptop. Oh, okay, I got it connected. By the way, apparently, I might just get another phone. Okay, so let's check out the messages here. Never mind, that's so embarrassing. Let's check out apps. Okay, so the recently used is setting. Okay, let's just get that out there. Right, some more. Okay, I'm not gonna be looking at that. Also, Teams. I'm not gonna click that because the phone is updated, I guess, to Android 16, Android 8.0. So, I guess we have to wait. Right. So, guys, I guess. So, you know, yeah, apparently, well, so, something connected to the, oh, yeah. Okay, let's just make this more like Android. That's updating what UI. Yep, it's still updating what UI. But that maybe they did. The F word, not this again. Oh no, I accidentally hit the wrong button. I'm, I'm, oh, nobody likes that. Okay, guys, this is taking a bit forever. Uh, what if we created a PowerPoint for Android? Hi guys, so don't look up there. Okay, let's just do the presentation, right? But we need the text to be in Roman, right? Roman. What you all think? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna be naming it the Android, the title. Oh, I don't know how to spell that. Okay, so, hmm, yep, we did it. Okay, that's accurate. Okay, that is quite accurate. It's sorry about that. My launchpad popped up. Now let's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 slides. I think. How about Galaxy? Yep, that's much better. Oh, okay. Let's get straight in. So first we're gonna be needing research. Oi! Stop popping up with this. Okay? Okay, let's get to the images, right? I like this video. I meant I like it. Oi! Stop it! Oi! Oh, that's much better. Of course, I could just highlight what it is. Oh, this one looks perfect. What do you all think? And of course, I'll take this design because it looks extremely good. Now, now we're knowing this Android one because you know Galaxy has an Android, right? Ooh, I like this one. See? So guys, Galaxy just rebooted. Okay? So guys, be prepared to see Galaxy. Okay? Mhm. Let's see. It's showing T-Mobile. It's actually a T-Mobile. Come on. It's optimizing apps. Hey, it's gonna be quick. I know it's gonna be quick. Okay? So guys, you know it's so quick. It's so easy. Also, I got this thing plugged in. Oh, a phone showed up. Hey, we updated it. Alright, guys. We're loading a mobile screen. So, guys, what do you know most about mobile tech? Is it good? Hey, let's go. Alright, guys. This is the Android. Android. But if you lose your phone, you lose your laptop. Is that correct? Okay, so let's get settings. Scroll all the way down to the phone. Software information. Ew, that looks so cool. Okay, you know this, right? Holy, oh, 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 guys, you see that? Okay, closer to the black hole. I can't say about this. Go on behind it. Mhm. Yeah, I did. Okay, guys, we've actually landed. But it seems like nothing is happening. Colorado, guys, now insane. Guys, you like this new update? Comment down your answer below. Anyway, this is a brand new Android 16. So that was the end. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.